Welcome back to the channel. If you've got 15 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can put this one skillet taco dinner together. I'm going to show you how to put this together with 1 pound of ground meat of your choice or tofu, minute rice, and simple ingredients. Hang out with me. I'll show you how to put this together and show you how to serve it in not one, but 2 classic taco meals. Now, let's stir the pot. We will start this one skillet taco meal with putting 1 pound of hamburger in the frying pan. And we're going to, or in the skillet, okay, we're going to brown this up. You can, by all means, use ground turkey if you would like. We're using ground sirloin, but you can use any ground meat. Going to add a pinch of salt. Got to have some salt in your meat. Maybe just a tad. That'd be good. For our one skillet taco meal, I like the meat chopped up really fine. So I'm using this chopper. I ordered it from Amazon, but it works fabulous. Our hamburger has browned, and now I'm just going to get the grease out of it. And I am going to be just using some paper towels right in one side of the pan. And then I'll just let it absorb here. You can, by all means, take this over to your sink or your trash can or wherever you put your grease and get rid of it like that as well. Now you will add your taco seasoning. This is equivalent to the 1 package of taco seasoning that you get in the grocery store. We are using our homemade seasoning, and you will find this recipe on our channel, so check it out. I think it's much better than what you get in the grocery store, and there's no preservatives in it. So now we're going to bring this back to a boil. We will also add 1.5 cups of water, or you can add 1.5 cups of beef broth, which is what I'm doing. Now we're going to bring this to a boil. We have come to a boil here. I just cut the burner off for a moment as I add into it 2 cups of success rice, or you can use minute rice. I am also adding, and this is optional, I'm adding 1 can of rotel, some frozen corn, and what I have here is 1 cup, and I'm adding some drained black beans. Now, you can use the canned black beans, just drain the juice off of them. These are my homemade black beans that I had in the freezer. That recipe is also on our channel. Look at all those seasonings and those beans. So now we're going to bring this back up to a boil, and then we're going to turn it down and let it simmer for 10 minutes. While our taco skillet is cooking, we're going to cut up our tomatoes and we're going to shred some lettuce. The first way that I'm going to show you to serve this is to serve it with corn chips or tortilla chips. We're using scoops. You will add your taco skillet to your bowl. We're going to top it with some cheese first, some tomatoes, a little bit of lettuce. Got to have some rabbit food. You'll add some jalapenos. We're going to put a little bit of scallion on here. And let's give it some reddish as well. That's reddish, Donna. Reddish. Reddish is reddish. We will top it with just a little dollop of sour cream. You can put more if you want. And then some taco sauce. That's way one. The second way is my favorite, the classic taco. Guys, Toppings are all whatever you choose to put on yours. We like onions. And then our radish, radish, and just a little bit of rabbit food. Now we will add a couple jalapenos. Again, folks, your choice what you put on there. The point of it is this is super fast and easy, and it's a very versatile recipe. We'll give it a little squeeze of lime juice. Should have soaked that one in some hot water. And there you have it. Another classic. We're going to put a little bit of sour cream on here. Look at how beautiful these are. And some taco sauce. Anybody ready for a taco? Classic number 2. Hey guys, thank you for hanging out with me. These 2 classic taco dishes that you make with your taco skillet that took you 15 minutes to cook, and you can use toppings of your choice. I hope that you have enjoyed this recipe. Give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and hit notifications so that you can get all of our videos as they post. And until next time, stir the pot.